Welcome, today in front of me STK Life 9 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there on the right upper corner, or also you can have that here on the left upper corner. Tap there and as can you see, we are logged in into two different accounts right now, and just to log out from one from this account, tap here to manage accounts. And here, as can you see, we got here these two accounts. And for example, now just to remove the first one, or to log out from the first account, just tap there and tap here on the remove account button and just confirm to remove this account. And now, as can you see, we just stay only with one logged in account, and now we'll go back to the application to see. Yeah, as can you see, we stay only with one account and we are just logged out from the Gmail account on this device. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.